There are about 6,768,000,000 people living in the world today, and approximately 3,808,000,000 live in Asia. What percent of people live in Asia? We'll use the 5 steps of problem solving. Step 1, to familiarize ourselves. We have the world population, the Asian population, and we'll let P equal the percent that is Asia. Step 2 is to translate the problem into some kind of mathematics, and in this case, it seems like using a proportion might make sense. That would be P over 100, and that would equal then, on the right-hand side, the world population would go in the denominator, and the Asian, because that's the part of the whole that we're interested in, would go in the numerator. Step 3 in the process is to solve that equation, and we do so by equating cross products, and that means we multiply P times this number 6,768,000,000. And that would equal the 3,808,000,000 times the 100. To finish solving that, you would divide both sides by that number. So P would be equal to that result. When we actually do that division, we'll find that P is approximately, well, actually, as a decimal, it's a very long decimal number. But of course, we'll round that off to the 10th percent of a decimal and say that it's 56.3%. As a check, we can multiply the 56.3% as a decimal 0.563, multiplied times the world population, 6,768,000,000. That will give us a result that it is equal to 3,810,000,000, and that's certainly close enough to the actual number given to us of 3,808,000,000. And so we've done our arithmetic correctly. And so step 5, which is to state the answer, is that Asia is about 56.3% of the world population.